Is your Gmail inbox packed with newsletters and random emails from senders you don't even remember? Let's fix that quickly by showing you how to sort Gmail by sender easily. The first method is to go into your Gmail inbox on your desktop. In the search bar at the top, type from, followed by the sender's name, email address, or domain, like from, amazon.com. This tells Gmail to show all messages from that specific sender, even if they're in the trash. To return to your full inbox view, just clear the search bar and press enter.
Clean Email has a lot of great ways to manage senders and sort senders. The first feature we'll look at is the top senders. This will show you the senders who send you the most emails, and it's kind of cool. For example, I have Poshmark that sent me 279 emails, which is kind of crazy. I can click on them and I can take actions such as trashing all of their messages. I can unsubscribe. I have a lot of different options here. I can also mark all of them as unread. This is really cool too. So that's the top senders feature, and then we just have senders, and this is where you can see all of your senders who have ever emailed you, and you can sort them from name by A to Z, and you can click on any sender and take actions from there as well. You can also sort by sender domain within the Senders tab. If you're interested, there is a discount in the description below to try Clean Email for free today.
Now, it's okay to use Gmail's search bar if you need a quick filter, but if you wanted an inbox that's easier to manage long term, Clean Email is your best bet.